Introduction to lash lifts and tinting. Welcome to the dynamic world of lash lifts and tinting, a popular beauty treatment designed to enhance natural eyelashes. This module provides a foundational understanding of these procedures, exploring their evolution and core principles. Lash lifts and tints offer a semi-permanent solution for achieving a more defined and youthful eye appearance. The concept of lash enhancement has a rich history, tracing back to ancient civilizations. Modern techniques have significantly advanced, moving from harsh chemical perms to gentler, more effective solutions. These innovations prioritize both safety and superior aesthetic results for clients. Benefits of lash lifts and tints. Lash lifts create the appearance of longer, more defined lashes by straightening them from the root, providing a wide-eyed and youthful look. This process enhances the natural curl, making eyes appear more open and vibrant. Many clients report feeling more confident and put together without daily makeup. One of the most significant advantages is the low-maintenance aspect. Lash lifts offer semi-permanent results lasting typically 6 to 8 weeks, eliminating the need for daily mascara. This convenience is particularly appealing for individuals with active lifestyles or those seeking a natural yet impactful improvement. Unlike extensions, lash lifts utilize your own lashes, making them a natural enhancement. Understanding lash anatomy fundamentals. Familiarizing yourself with lash anatomy is crucial for safe and effective application of lash lift and tint solutions. Key components include the lash follicle, responsible for growth, and the lash shaft, the visible part of the lash. Understanding these structures helps in selecting appropriate products and techniques. The lash growth cycle also plays a significant role in how long a lift and tint will last. Lashes, like all hair, undergo continuous growth, transition, and resting phases. Knowing this cycle helps manage client expectations regarding the longevity of their treatment results. Historical evolution of lash enhancement. Early traces of lash enhancement date back to ancient Egypt, where women used kohl to darken and define their eyes, a practice also seen in Mesopotamia. This early form of cosmetic application laid the groundwork for future innovations. Kohl was often made from galena, malachite, and charcoal, mixed with animal fat or oil. The 20th century saw significant advancements beginning in the early 1900s, with permanent waving solutions for hair being adapted for eyelashes. Initially, these techniques had limited success due to harsh chemicals and potential damage. By the 1930s, safer and more controlled perming solutions emerged, though they often resulted in an unnatural, overly curled look. Continuous refinement throughout the latter half of the 20th century led to milder formulations and the introduction of lifting rods, shaping lashes for a smoother, more defined curl. Psychological impact of lash enhancement. Studies suggest that Cheshman-Darajed, Persian for big eyes, are considered attractive across many cultures. Lash lifts, by enhancing curl and definition, contribute to creating the illusion of larger eyes, which can significantly boost confidence and self-esteem. This aesthetic appeal is rooted in evolutionary psychology, where larger eyes are often associated with youth and vitality. Lashes play a significant role in framing the face, drawing attention to the eyes as a focal point. Lifted and tinted lashes can create a more balanced and youthful appearance, enhancing overall facial harmony. Furthermore, the reduced reliance on daily makeup, particularly mascara, offers a semi-permanent solution that saves time and effort, benefiting individuals with active lifestyles or those seeking a more natural look. Lash follicle and shaft structure. The lash follicle is the tiny organ located beneath the skin, responsible for producing and anchoring each individual eyelash. Proper eyelid care, including gentle cleansing and nourishment, is essential for promoting healthy lash growth from the follicles. A healthy follicle is the foundation for strong, resilient lashes. The lash shaft is the visible part of the eyelash, composed primarily of keratin, a fibrous protein. This protein determines the lash's strength, elasticity, and overall structure. Understanding the lash shaft's layered composition is crucial for selecting appropriate lash lift solutions and application techniques, as these chemicals interact directly with the keratin bonds. Lash growth cycle phases. Lashes, like all hair on the human body, undergo a continuous growth cycle consisting of 3 distinct phases. The anagen phase, or active growth, lasts approximately 30 to 45 days and determines the final length of the lash. During this period, the lash is actively growing from the follicle. Following the anagen phase is the catagen phase, a short transitional period lasting a few weeks where the lash stops growing and the follicle shrinks. Finally, the telogen phase is the resting stage, lasting 2 to 3 months, during which the lash naturally sheds to make way for new growth. Understanding this cycle is vital for predicting how long lash lift and tint results will last, typically aligning with the active growth and transition phases. Lash lifts versus extensions versus perms. It is crucial to understand the distinctions between lash lifts, extensions, and perms to recommend the most suitable treatment for clients. Lash lifts enhance the natural curl of existing lashes without adding length or volume, using a chemical solution to gently reshape them from the root. The results typically last 6 to 8 weeks, offering a subtle yet impactful enhancement. Lash extensions involve meticulously attaching individual synthetic lashes to existing natural lashes using a special adhesive, providing dramatic increases in length, volume, and fullness. These require regular touch-ups due to natural lash shedding. In contrast, lash perms, a stronger chemical process used historically, often resulted in an unnatural, overly curled look and could damage lashes due to harsh chemicals. Modern lash lifts are a safer and more refined alternative to traditional perms. Salon sanitation and hygiene protocols. Maintaining a clean and disinfected work environment is paramount in lash lift and tinting procedures to prevent the spread of pathogens. This includes regular cleaning and disinfection of all surfaces, tools, and equipment after each use, with appropriate EPA-registered disinfectants. A study by the CDC found that proper disinfection protocols can reduce healthcare-associated infections by over 70%. Furthermore, utilizing fresh laundered linens and towels for each client is non-negotiable. Contaminated materials like cotton swabs and used applicators must be disposed of in designated biohazard bins. These stringent sanitation practices protect both the client and the technician from potential infections and ensure a professional, safe experience. Personal hygiene and protective equipment. Personal hygiene is a critical component of safety in lash artistry. Technicians must wash their hands thoroughly with soap and water before and after every treatment, and in between client interactions. This simple yet effective practice significantly reduces the transmission of germs and bacteria, a cornerstone of infection control. Wearing appropriate personal protective equipment (PPE) is equally vital. This includes gloves, masks, and eye protection to minimize the risk of exposure to chemicals and airborne particles. For instance, gloves create a barrier against skin contact with solutions, while masks protect against inhaling mild fumes, ensuring both technician and client safety. Chemical fumes and ventilation strategies. Lash lift and tint solutions contain various chemicals that can release mild fumes during application. Prolonged exposure to these fumes can cause respiratory irritation or discomfort for both the technician and the client. Therefore, understanding and implementing proper ventilation strategies are essential for a safe working environment. Adequate ventilation in the treatment area can be achieved by opening windows or utilizing exhaust fans to ensure continuous air circulation. It is also crucial to avoid working directly over clients' faces to minimize their exposure to fumes. Modern salons often incorporate advanced air purification systems to further enhance air quality, creating a healthier space for everyone. Safe chemical handling practices. Thorough product knowledge is fundamental for safe chemical handling. Technicians must understand the contents and potential hazards of each product used in lash lifts and tints. This includes knowing the pH levels of solutions. For example, lash lift solutions are typically alkaline, pH 8 to 9.5, while tints can be slightly acidic, pH 5 to 7. Maintaining readily accessible safety data sheets, SDS, for all products is crucial, as they contain vital information on handling, storage, and disposal procedures. Chemicals should always be stored in their original labeled containers, away from heat, direct sunlight, and moisture to maintain product integrity. Additionally, a spill kit should be readily available to safely handle any accidental spills according to manufacturer's instructions, preventing potential hazards. Emergency preparedness in the salon. Being prepared for emergencies is a non-negotiable aspect of salon safety. A well-stocked first aid kit containing essential supplies for addressing minor cuts, scrapes, or allergic reactions should always be readily available. Regular checks ensure all items are in date and replenished. Technicians must also be familiar with emergency procedures for situations like fainting, allergic reactions, or eye injuries. This includes knowing how to administer basic first aid and when to call for professional medical help. Readily available contact information for emergency medical services and poison control centers is crucial for swift and effective response during any incident. Client screening and patch testing. Mitigating potential risks begins with thorough client screening. A comprehensive consultation is essential to identify any potential contraindications before proceeding with a lash lift or tint. This includes inquiring about allergies to lash lift or tint solutions, existing eye conditions like conjunctivitis or blepharitis, or recent eye surgery. For example, clients with glaucoma or detached retinas should always consult an ophthalmologist first. Patch testing is a crucial safeguard against allergic reactions. Always perform a patch test behind the client's ear 24 to 48 hours before the actual treatment. This involves applying a small amount of each solution to a discrete area and monitoring for any signs of redness, swelling, or irritation. This proactive step helps identify potential allergic responses like contact dermatitis or, in rare cases, anaphylactic shock, ensuring client safety. Additional safety considerations. Beyond chemical handling and client screening, several other safety considerations are vital in a lash artistry practice. Electrical safety is paramount. Ensure all electrical equipment is in good working order, properly grounded, and regularly inspected to prevent hazards. Faulty wiring or ungrounded devices can pose serious risks. Fire safety protocols, including knowing the location of fire extinguishers and having an evacuation plan, are also essential. Furthermore, proper biohazard waste disposal, such as used cotton swabs contaminated with chemicals, must be strictly followed using designated biohazard bins. These measures collectively contribute to a secure and compliant salon environment, protecting everyone within it. Building a culture of safety. Building a strong culture of safety is the cornerstone of responsible practice in lash artistry. This involves a commitment to ongoing education, where technicians stay updated on the latest safety protocols and industry advancements through continuing education courses and workshops. The beauty industry is constantly evolving, and continuous learning ensures best practices are maintained. Accurate reporting and documentation are also crucial. Maintaining meticulous records of client consultations, patch tests, and any incidents that may occur provides a clear history and aids in identifying recurring issues. Open communication with clients, encouraging them to voice any concerns about the procedure's safety, fosters trust and allows for immediate addressing of potential problems. This holistic approach ensures a safe and healthy environment for both technicians and clients. Thorough client consultation process. A comprehensive client consultation is the foundational step for determining a client's suitability for for lash lifts and tints. This initial discussion must gather detailed medical history, including any pre-existing medical conditions, current medications, and known allergies. For instance, certain autoimmune diseases or thyroid disorders can affect lash growth and increase sensitivity, making a thorough review essential. Inquiring about specific eye conditions such as conjunctivitis, blepharitis, or recent eye surgery like cataracts or LASIK is critical. Similarly, skin conditions around the eyes, including eczema or psoriasis, must be identified as they can be exacerbated by chemical solutions. This detailed screening process helps prevent adverse reactions and ensures client safety, forming the basis for an informed decision. Understanding specific eye conditions, active eye infections such as conjunctivitis, blepharitis, or styes pose significant risks. Conjunctivitis, a highly contagious inflammation of the conjunctiva, can easily spread. Blepharitis, an inflammation of the eyelid margins, can be further irritated by lash solutions. Styes, painful bacterial infections at the lash base, require complete healing before any procedure. Performing lash lifts or tints during an active infection can exacerbate the condition and transmit pathogens. Post-operative considerations are also critical. Following eye surgeries like blepharoplasty, eyelid surgery, or LASIK, laser eye surgery, sufficient healing time is essential. Manipulating lashes during early healing stages can disrupt the process and compromise surgical outcomes. LASIK reshapes the cornea, and any irritation from lash lift solutions can hinder corneal tissue healing. Consulting the client's ophthalmologist is crucial before proceeding with lash enhancements after surgery. Allergies and patch testing importance. Allergic reactions to lash lift and tint solutions, while uncommon, can range from mild symptoms like redness, itching, and watering eyes to severe responses such as anaphylaxis. A history of severe allergic reactions to cosmetics, medications, or any known ingredients in the solutions strictly contraindicates the procedure. It is vital to inquire about all sensitivities during the consultation. Patch testing is a crucial safeguard, involving applying a small amount of each solution behind the client's ear 24 to 48 hours before the full procedure. This allows for the identification of potential allergic reactions, such as contact dermatitis, before they can affect the delicate eye area. Documenting the date and results of the patch test is essential for future reference and legal protection, reinforcing a commitment to client safety. Ethical considerations and informed consent. Upholding the highest ethical standards is paramount in lash artistry. This includes respecting client autonomy, which means honoring a client's right to make informed decisions about their treatment. If a client chooses to proceed despite a contraindication, their decision must be thoroughly documented, ensuring they understand the potential risks involved. Empowering informed consent involves providing clients with written forms that clearly outline the procedure's nature, potential risks, complications, and contraindications. It also includes clear post-care instructions. Clients have a responsibility to disclose pertinent medical history and allergies, while technicians must ensure clients fully grasp all information, avoiding technical jargon. This transparency builds trust and protects both parties.